हेलो 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 जी। ये लाइन कहीं सुनी हुई लगती है ना? जी हाँ, आपने भी वहीं सुना होगा जब मैंने सुना है। मैं ये वीडियो डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ अपने आइडल शेफ रणदीप और उनके इनोवेशंस को। तो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ फ्यूचर शेफ अनंत सिंह एंड हम शुरू करते हैं जायका ए करामत। As Karamat not only saves the time but also enables the chefs to retain their signature style without compromising with their taste. You all must be thinking, what am I going to use from these many options? So today I am going to make the Karamati dish using the Shahi Gulab Jamun mix. आप सभी सोच रहे होंगे कि गुलाब जामुन मिक्स से मैं और क्या इनोवेशन बना सकता हूँ except of gulab jamun. So I'm taking the half packet of the gulab jamun. I've already made the sugar syrup, and for mixing the gulab jamun mix, I'm using the milk. To this, I'm going to add some amount of milk. So my dough is ready, and we just need to shape it and deep fry it and just soak in the sugar syrup. Gulab jamun are done. So guys, this is when the real Karamat comes in. I'm taking the 1 bowl of refined flour. I'm using the half cup of icing sugar. To this I'm going to add the butter. Actually, I'm using the salted butter, so I'll be not using the extra salt to it. You have to mix it and need like a cookie dough. Actually, this dough is required to be refrigerated for 30 minutes, but I'm using the cold milk, so it won't be needed actually. This is the butterscotch sauce I've made from using the caramelized sugar, adding the melted butter and the thick cream. With this, I'm going to add on the top of this, I'm going to add some more butterscotch sauce.